Hello children, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you the next topic of lesson number 5, location and time, and the topic is international dateline. There is only one 180-degree longitude which is known as the international dateline. When one crosses this line, the day and date changes. The international date line passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates two calendar dates. It is not exactly 180-degree at all the places, since the line crisscrosses across several time zones. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands, and due to this, they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line, when it passes over land, is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but zigzag. Now, children, one activity is for you. The eastern hemisphere is to the east of the 0-degree longitude, and the western hemisphere is to its west. Keeping this in mind, using a map, find out the longitudinal coordinates of India. Also, fill up the table for the other countries. This homework you have to do it by yourself. Now, the sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east of prime meridian and 180 to its west. In this way, 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there is difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time in the different place on the earth varies as per their longitudes. Now children, one activity is for you. Find out if the time in the country given below is ahead or behind India. Why is it so? Think. Now country, Nepal. Nepal has accepted Indian Standard Time. Then Pakistan is behind, Bangladesh is ahead, New Zealand ahead, USA behind, Canada behind, Singapore ahead, Japan is ahead, Uganda behind, France behind, South Africa behind, Ukraine behind. Those countries in the east of India are ahead of Indian time, while those which are in the west are behind. Now children, next topic is local time. The time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 noon in all the places on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to mid-noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitudes in the same country have different times. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problem in administration. How can one work in such situation? What must one do to solve this problem? Let us understand. Standard time, the local time of place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the country. This means that time is fixed on the basis of a particular longitude in a country which is known as a standard time. The standard time The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This means that if it is 12 noon in Allahabad, it is 12 noon everywhere in the country. This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. So, one activity is given here. You will find the standard time of the different countries and main cities in a smartphone. With the help of the globe, find out the major cities of different countries and note down their standard time using the phones. Also mention whether the country is ahead or behind in time in India. Now children, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.